Ever wondered why your joints crack when you stretch? This is known as crepitus, a common phenomenon due to bubbles in synovial fluid, the lubricant for your joints. Upon stretching, pressure alterations lead to these bubbles popping, and voila! The familiar cracking sound. Is it bad? Not in all cases, it's a usual part of our biology. But if you notice accompanying pain or swelling, it could be arthritis or tendonitis signaling. It's recommended to see a healthcare provider in such instances. Understanding your body is paramount for maintaining good health. Share this knowledge and hit like. Want more health insights? Don't forget to subscribe to My Cardio Guru. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.